Alright, YouTube, it's for sale here, 9-0. Hope you all had a great 4th of July. It is 11:06 p.m. We're going to get going with the Rising Rookies break. Again, 11:06 p.m. This is break number 2 of our Rising Rookies. Boxes 4, 5, and 6. We have a couple unpaid spots. The first is the Steelers. Bidder with pretty good feedback rating. So we sent them a message to let them know that the Steelers are theirs. I think they only went for about $4. Steelers belong to you regardless of what happens in this break, and we're going to trust you to get the payment to us. Didn't want to hold it up over that. The other unpaid spot was a bidder that was also in the Prestige break, and they have paid for those teams, of course. They won the Panthers and I believe one other team. I can't remember which it was. So those teams will be yours as well. Just make sure you get those payments in, and you know, of course, we won't ship the Prestige cards to that bidder until we get the payment for this, which I'm confident we will. You guys that deal with us all the time, we never seem to have an issue. So thanks again. We're going to get this break going, and here's our first box. 0715-11858. Again, 2011 Rising Rookies football. Took a little bit of a loss on this stuff, so hopefully you guys will all be happy. Williams, Calvin Johnson, Brandon Lloyd, Arian Foster. Combine competitions, John Baldwin and Greg Little. Quentin Carter, Ronald Johnson, Curtis Brown, A.J. Green, and Brooks Reed Gold. Brandon Marshall, Des Bryant, Matt Schaub, Roddy White, Andy Dalton, NFL Draft. Cecil Shorts, Daquan Bowers, Jordan Cameron, Randall Cobb, and Colin Kaepernick Gold. Michael Turner, Mendenhall, Mike Wallace, Ben Roethlisberger, Julio Jones, NFL Draft, Jimmy Smith, Titus Young, Cameron Hayward, Vincent Brown, and DJ Williams Gold. Tim Tebow, Steve Smith, Steven Jackson, Colt McCoy, NFL Combine, Mark Ingram, Michael LaSure, Stephen Pay, Jabal Sheard, Julio Jones, Tyrod Taylor, and Ryan Whalen Gold. Ray Lewis, Percy Harvin, David Gerard, Tony Romo, Ryan Mallett, NFL Draft, Patriots, Roy Halu Jr., Watt, Kendricks, Yates, and Kendall Hunter Gold. Jones Drew, Dallas Clark, Green Ellis, Ryan Matthews, Combine, Cam Newton, Blaine Gabbert, Marcel Darius, Denarius Moore, Kyle Rudolph, Martez Wilson, and Bilal Powell Gold. Marshawn Lynch, Antonio Gates, Mercedes Lewis, Dwayne Bowe, Playmaker Ray Lewis, Jake Locker, Austin Williams, Gates rookies, and a DJ Williams blue numbered to 1339 for the package. Jared Allen, Eli Manning, Deshaun Jackson, Ahmad Bradshaw, Jarrell Jernigan, NFL Draft, Mallett, Paul, Houston, Jernigan, base rookie, and Daniel Thomas Gold. Bolden, Andre Johnson, Gore, Stafford. First one of these that we've seen, and a sweet looking hit for the Redskins. Clinton Portis, Playmaker Auto, numbered 17 of 20. Nice hit for the Redskins. Kerrigan, Harris, Mock, Sturdivant, and Anthony Allen rookie. Gold. Witten, Vernon Davis, Woodhead, Kenny Britt, Jared Allen draft selections. Daniel Thomas, Ryan Whalen, Robert Quinn, Robert Hausler, and Jarrell Jernigan gold. Terrain, Santonio Holmes, Vic Jennings, Patrick Peterson, NFL Draft, Peterson regular, Anthony Allen, Mark Ingram, Powell, and Justin Houston gold for the KC Chiefs. Aaron Rodgers, Peyton Manning, Reggie Wayne, Jeremy Maclin, NFL Combine, Cobb, and Jernigan. Kendall Hunter, DJ Williams, Kaepernick, Brooks Reed, and Niles Paul gold. Stewart, Clay Matthews, Peppers, James Harrison, Combine, Hankerson, Titus Young, Ridley, Wilkerson, Ayers, Costanzo, and Patrick Peterson gold. Braylon Edwards, Mayo, Floyd, Freeman, Mendenhall, Playmaker, Claiborne, Curley, Amakamura, Bailey, and a Bilal Powell blue, number to 1339. McCoy, Charles, Ward, Collie, Todman for the Chargers, NFL Draft, Darrell Scott, Torrey Smith, Burton, Miller, and Ryan Williams gold. Polamalu, Ed Reed, Mike Williams, Adrian Peterson, LeGarrette Blount. Oh, sweet break so far. And congratulations to the Seattle Seahawks, who always seem to get nothing in our breaks. A sweet looking card here. Earl Thomas, game used, numbered 5 of 10. It's for the Seattle Seahawks. Earl Thomas, numbered 5 of 10, jersey. So nice hit for the Seahawks. Nick Fairley, Pouncey, LaFleur, Salas, and Hausler. Yeah, the Seahawks always seem to get, it's just because they don't have many cards, don't always seem to get a whole lot. So nice hit there. Ray Rice, Patrick Willis, Matt Ryan, Santana Moss, Stephen Ridley for the Patriots NFL Draft, Doss, Hankerson, McCarthy, Jordan, and Robert Quinn. So 2 nice hits so far for the Redskins and the Seahawks. Sam Bradford, Tony Gonzalez, Deion Branch, Joe Flacco, LaShawn McCoy, Playmaker. Murray, Taylor, Stanzi, Royster, and Kendall Hunter blue, numbered to 1339. Gronkowski, Nix, Castle, Sanchez. 4th round draft selection, Derek Mason. Ponder, Casey Matthews, Stocker, Green, and Mark Ingram gold. Dwayne Bowe, Gronkowski, Hakeem Nicks, Matt Castle, Mark Sanchez, and wow. What a break so far. Detroit Lions, this one is for you. Nick Fairley, NFL patch, numbered 27 of 40. Detroit Lions, nice hit. Nick Fairley patch, 27 of 40. Sweet, sweet, sweet looking card. Nathan Enderle, Tywan Jones, Delaney Carter, Blaine Gabbert, and Alan Bailey. Man, I should have picked this box for my personal break. Nah, glad to see you guys getting some good stuff. Matt Forte, Sue, Steve Johnson, Combine, Patrick Peterson, and Makamura. Christian Ponder, NFL Draft. McElroy, Aldon Smith, Jamie Harper, Shane Vereen, and Mukamura. Gold for the Giants. So 3 sweet cards. Miles Austin, Jay Cutler, LT, Darren McFadden, Charles Woodson. And here's just a regular old jersey for the Broncos. Sorry, nothing fancy. but a hit for the Broncos, Champ Bailey, jersey, Alex Green, Pettis, Ballard, Little, and Jeremy Curley, gold for the Jets. Jermichael Finley, Larry Fitzgerald, Drew Brees, Wes Welker. Draft selections, Percy Harvin for the Vikings, Brandon Harris, Rozzy Dowling, Andy Dalton, Robinson, and Adrian Claiborne for the Bucks. Last pack, and we'll move into box number 2. Colston, Hillis, Revis, Urlacher, playmaker Jason Witten, Baldwin, Todman, Cam Newton, Moore, and a Kaepernick blue, number to 1339 for the 49ers. Going to move right into box number 5. 0715 11857. Again, that's box number 5 of the Rising Rookies. And we're just going to make some adjustments here, which you guys probably won't see in the video. We're just moving some cards around. Some things out of the way, some pack fillers. Alright, and here we go to the box. So, I don't know if this is going to be quite as good as the first box. I think the first box is probably going to be the best one of the 3, but I could be proven wrong very easily. But that was a very nice box. 3 very sweet hits in that box. Alright, here we go. Roddy White, Michael Turner, Mendenhall, Mike Wallace, Locker and Ponder, Combine, Bowers, Cameron, Cobb, Jimmy Smith, and Aldon Smith Gold. Roethlisberger, Ray Lewis, Percy Harvin, David Gerard, Luke Stocker, NFL Draft, Young, Hayward, Halu Jr., Vincent Brown, and Greg McElroy, gold. Tony Romo, Jones Drew, Dallas Clark, Green Ellis, Austin Pettis, NFL Draft, Watt, Kendricks, Yates, Darius, and Blaine Gabbert, gold. Collie, Forte, Sue, Johnson, Jake Locker, NFL Draft. It's about time for one of those autographs. Jones, Carter, Gabbert, McElroy, and Christian Ballard, gold. Miles Austin, Jay Cutler, LT, McFadden. Here's a rookie auto of Ryan Williams for the Cardinals. Those are not numbered. Ryan Williams, rookie auto for the Cardinals. Just regular rookie auto. Aldon Smith, Harper, Vereen, Alex Green, and Austin Pettis, gold. Ryan Matthews, Marshawn Lynch, Gates, Lewis, Leonard Hankerson, NFL Draft. Moore, Rudolph, Wilson, Locker, and Dion Lewis, gold. Dwayne Bowe, Gronkowski, Hakeem Nicks, Matt Castle, Combine DJ Williams, and Virgil Green. Austin, Williams, Gates, Ponder, and Delani Carter, gold. Woodson, Finley, Fitzgerald, Combine, Torrey Smith, Edmund Gates, NFL Draft, Randall Cobb, Pettis, Ballard, Little, Harris, and Alex Green, gold for the Packers. Breeze, Welker, Colston, Hillis, Revis. Here's a hit for the Titans, Damian Williams jersey. Second one of those that we've seen in our breaks. The first one in this break. Dowling, Dalton, Aldrick Robinson, John Baldwin, and a Shane Vereen gold for the Pats. Sanchez, Bolden, Andre Johnson, Frank Gore, Steven Jackson, playmaker. Matthews, Stocker, Green, Kerrigan, and Curley rookies. The Curley is a blue, numbered to 1339 for the Jets. Stafford, Stewart, Matthews, Peppers, draft selections, Kyle Orton for the Broncos. Rookies, Harris, Mock, Sturdivant, Ridley, and a red Austin Pettis. Nice hit for the Rams, 6 of 99. Austin Pettis for the Rams. Urlacher, Williams, Calvin Johnson, Brandon Lloyd, Ahmad Bradshaw, draft selections. Rookies, Todman, Newton, Moore, Carter, and Jamie Harper gold for the Titans. Foster, Marshall, Bryant, Schaub, Playmaker, Fred Jackson. Johnson, Brown, Green, Shorts rookies, and a Amakamura, numbered to 1339, blue for the Giants. Prince, Makamura. Amawa Makamura, however you say it. Alright, James Harrison, Polomalu, Ed Reed, Mike Williams. Here's an auto. Daquan Bowers, rookie auto, numbered 32 of 50. So nice hit for somebody, Daquan Bowers. Can't remember who he plays for, of course. Wilkerson for the Jets. Ayers, Costanzo, Nick Fairley, and Taiwan Jones gold. Ahmad Bradshaw, Jason Witten, Vernon Davis, Danny Woodhead, NFL Combine, Von Miller, Martez Wilson, Ryan Mallett, Niles Paul, Justin Houston, Jernigan, and Torrey Smith gold. AP, LeGarrette Blount, Ray Rice, Patrick Willis, Ryan Williams, Jordan Todman. Combine competition. Pouncey, LaSure, Salas, Doss, and an Enderly gold. Matt Ryan, Santana Moss, Sam Bradford, Tony Gonzalez, Deion Branch. Here's a Playmaker jersey of LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles, not numbered. Hankerson, McCarthy, Jordan Murray, and Von Miller gold. Flacco, Tebow, Steve Smith, Steven Jackson, Greg Little, NFL draft. Phil Taylor, Ricky Stanzi, Evan Royster, Mohamed Wilkerson, orange version for the Jets, and a gold Brandon Burton for the Vikings. McCoy, Jared Allen, Eli Manning, Deshaun Jackson, Playmaker Greg Jennings, Stephen Pay, Sheard, Jones, Tyrod Taylor, and an Adrian Claiborne blue, numbered to 1339 for the Bucks. Kenny Britt, Ryan Terrain, Santonio Holmes, Mike Vick, Nick Fairley, NFL draft for Lions. Thomas, Whalen, Quinn, Hausler, and Darrell Scott gold. Greg Jennings, Aaron Rodgers, Peyton Manning, Reggie Wayne, draft selections. Jericho Cotchery for the Jets. Peterson, Allen, Ingram, Powell, and Bruce Carter gold for the Cowboys. Macklin, Braylon Edwards, Gerard Mayo, Malcolm Floyd, Michael LaSure, NFL draft for the Lions. Hunter, Williams, Kaepernick, Reed, and a Dion Lewis gold. Josh Freeman, Dwight Freeney, Tom Brady, DeMarcus Ware, NFL Combine, AJ Green, and Julio Jones. Claiborne, Curley, Makamura, Bailey, and Jaquiz Rogers for the Falcons. Gold. Alright, last pack of the break. This box anyway. Marino, Chris Johnson, Phillip Rivers, Justin Tuck, Playmaker, Maurice Jones-Drew. Rookies, Ryan Williams, Jaquiz Rogers, Dion Lewis, Bruce Carter, and a Brooks Reed, blue, number to 1339. Let's do a little bit of adjusting here. And we'll get right into the last box. LF 036745332. As I said, I think the first box is probably the best we're going to see. But we can still hope. That first box was pretty nice. Open a lot of cards today. This trash box is starting to overflow. Alright guys, last box. Good luck. Of course, thank you all for joining. Steve Smith, Steven Jackson, McCoy, Jared Allen, Peyton Manning, draft selections for the Colts. Jones, Taylor, Mallett, Paul, and Ryan Williams, gold rookies. Eli, Deshaun Jackson, Bradshaw, Witten, Cam Newton, NFL draft. Like to see one of those autographed. Houston, Jernigan, Thomas, Whalen rookies, and a Bailey gold. Drew Brees, Wes Welker, Colston, Hillis, Kendall Hunter, NFL draft. Cam Newton, Moore, Carter, Johnson, and Mark Ingram. I am showing low battery, so hopefully we don't have to split this box, but Davis, Woodhead, Britt, Terrain, Cobb and Jernigan, NFL Combine, Quinn, Hausler, Peterson, Allen, and Makamura gold. Holmes, Vick, Jennings, Rogers, draft, A.J. Green, Ingram, Powell, Hunter, Williams, and Curley gold. Revis, Urlacher, Williams, Johnson, DeMarco Murray, NFL draft. Brown, Green, Shorts, Bowers, and Anthony Allen gold. Lloyd, Foster, Marshall, Des Bryant, Ponder, and Jake Locker Combine. Cameron, Cobb, Smith, Young, and Patrick Peterson gold. Schaub, White, Turner, Mendenhall, NFL draft, Kyle Rudolph. Hayward, Halu, Brown, Watt, and Robert Hausler gold. Jackson, Bradshaw, Witten, Davis. Sweet looking hit for the Seahawks again. Nice break for the Seahawks. Golden Tate, jersey auto, numbered 8/10. Sweet looking hit for the Seahawks. Nice break for you guys. Kaepernick, Reed, Claiborne, Curley, and Claiborne gold. Guys will think twice before letting them Seahawks pass up next time. Sweet. 2 numbered to 10s for the Seahawks. Wow. Manning, Wayne, Macklin, Edwards, Playmaker, Jamal Charles, Makamura, Bailey, Williams, Rogers, and Cameron Jordan blue, number to 1339. Wallace, Roethlisberger, Lewis, Harvin, draft selections. Jay Cutler, Kendricks, Yates, Darius Moore, and Robert Quinn gold. Gerard, Romo, Jones-Drew, Dallas Clark, Playmaker, Santonio Holmes, Rudolph, Wilson, Locker, Austin, and Leonard Hankerson blue to 1339. Green Ellis, Matthews, Lynch, Gates, Combine, Williams, and Virgil Green. Aaron Williams, Edmund Gates, Ponder, Matthews, and Ryan Whalen gold. Mayo, Floyd, Freeman, NFL Combine, Vereen, and Delani Carter. NFL Draft, Daquan Bowers, Dion Lewis, Carter, Scott, Torrey Smith, and a Brooks Reed gold for the Texans. Lewis, Bo, Gronkowski, Knicks. Here's a nice hit for the Falcons. Roddy White, 10 of 20. Playmaker auto for the Falcons. Roddy White, Luke Stockard, Green, Kerrigan, Harris, and Daniel Thomas gold. So a nice couple hits. Very successful break so far. Freeney, Brady, Ware, Moreno, and Chris Johnson. Burton, Miller, Enderly, Jones, and Kaepernick rookies. Kaepernick was our gold. Castle, Sanchez, Bolden, Johnson. There's a Jake Locker. Would have been nice to see a little ink on that one. Mock, Sturdivant, Ridley, Wilkerson, and Jernigan rookies. Jernigan, of course, gold. Rivers, Tuck, McCoy, Jamal Charles, Devery Henderson draft selections. Carter, Gabbert, McElroy, Aldon Smith, and DJ Williams gold. Gore, Stafford, Stewart, Clay Matthews, Julius Peppers. Playmakers, David Harris for the Jets, jersey. Ayers, Costanzo, Fairley, Pouncey, and Justin Houston gold. Harrison, Polamalu, Ed Reed, Mike Williams. Combine, Todman, Ryan Williams. LeSure, Salas, Doss, Hankerson, and a Niles Paul gold. Peterson, Blunt, Ray Rice, Patrick Willis, Playmaker, Eddie Royal. McCarthy, Jordan, Murray, Taylor, and Tandon Doss blue to 13/39 for the Ravens. Ward, Collie, Forte, Sue, Steve Johnson, another hit for the Seahawks. Earl Thomas, jersey. Harper, Vereen, Green, Pettis, and Kendall Hunter gold.